what's up YouTube? It's Friday, and first things first, before I go get skate shoes, I have to take apart the guest bathroom sink and go get a new one at Home Depot because because it got broken
By me.
by my son.
By my son.
So we're off to Kings Plaza to kill two birds with one stone. There's a Home Depot right next to Kings Plaza, so I can go look at some shoes, and we can also go try and get a new sink basin. Turns out we're not going to replace the whole thing. We're just going to replace the basin. We're going to keep the cabinet under there. I thought we were going to do like a pedestal or something like that, but we just need a new part, the basin, so it can stop leaking underneath the sink. Alright, fun. Home Depot. This is totally different than the one that we normally go to. Just checking stuff out. Okay, so instead of getting a full new sink, we're going to get some kind of epoxy to just seal up the hole a little bit, and then I think maybe get something online where we have a little bit more choice. And right now, we're just looking at all the Halloween decorations here inside the Home Depot. This one's catching my fancy. Whoa, that is a huge skeleton face.
What the? A spider?
Okay, so there seems to be a lot of stores here. I think I'm going to try Journeys first because I've never been there, and I'd like to check out what they have. I mean, it seems like everything's on the second floor. Vans, Zoomies, and Journeys. So we're going to check that out. Let's go to the second floor. Okay. So lots of stuff in here. Vans, to be sure. Some Adidas. We're going to check out some other stuff. What? I guess you can ride an animal around the mall? I haven't been in a mall in forever. I went to a Zoomies actually in the city yesterday, which I didn't film, up near Union Square, and they had like one pair of etnies that I was looking at, and I've been trying to find something that's like a little more responsibly sourced as far as like not using sweatshop or whatever. There was a commenter online that I was back and forth with trying to find like responsible shoes to buy, skate shoes, but I mean they all manufacture overseas, and I don't know how to track all that stuff. I should have just gone with the Vans because they had some of that, and I probably could have just settled that yesterday instead of like going all over Brooklyn trying to find some place to buy something at, but I didn't, and now I'm at a Zoomies inside this mall, and I think I'm going to buy a pair of the Pro old school style Vans with the suede tops and a shoe cap so that I can go skate, because that's what I want to do. I want to solve this problem quickly. I also want to be ethically responsible. Don't get me wrong. Someone needs to get on an ethical skate shoe. Let's make that happen. Okay, so they didn't have the size that I needed in the style that I wanted next door, so I came directly next door is a Van store. So I'm right over here checking what they have out and trying to get, maybe they have it in my size? We'll see. Alright guys, the wait is over. We are going to pick up some Vans. I am excited to be able to skate with these later. Okay, we're back from the store. We got a simple solution that is much cheaper for right now while we look for more options for sinks online. And that is this. Now, I don't know this product. I'm not necessarily highlighting this product. We'll see if it works, but this is what we're going to do for right now. It's an epoxy. It dries clear in about 5 minutes. So I'm going to mix it together and try and paste it on. I think first I'm going to tape the hole from the underside, and then we'll go from there. So we are headed over to the flat ground area to see if they are open. I'm not sure if they're open. The school might be in session, so I might not be able to skate here. But I've got my new shoes on. They're awesome. And it looks like No, the gate is closed, so I cannot skate here today. So, I think what I'm gonna do is go up to that little spot, that little cul-de-sac near the train. I am gonna go up there, and I think I'm gonna skate there for a little bit, right where those parking blocks were that I tried to board slide and everything. All right, let's go do that. I'm keeping the insoles inside the shoes, the ones that came with them, because, I don't know, they're supposedly good, and let's try and test them out. I mean, I know I have the FP insoles, and those work really well, so let's see what these feel like. So there's this little spot right up by the neighborhood grocery that I normally go to, and there's this little hump in the street where the manhole cover is. And I always want to try and ollie it because it's got like a little bit of elevation to it. I mean, not really that you can see, but I don't know. It's always calling to me when I'm here. And I tried doing it one night and adding it to Instagram, but it was way too dark, so it didn't come out. Plus, I had some dickhead like parking in front of me, even though I was like, can you move away from my camera? Please, I just want to try and get this one shot in. And he still parked there anyway and pulled up in front of my camera. So I didn't really get the shot on Instagram because I wanted to post something. So that's going to be my first trick with the new shoes. Let's do that, and then we'll head to another space where we can practice kickflips. There's the smallest divot coming down, which I'm just not totally comfortable with yet, so I want to clean that up. Also, that last guy who was talking to me got upset because he thought I got too close to him. I don't know if it was audible or not. At least from what I can tell so far, the insoles are pretty thick. It's great for absorption, but it's kind of hard to get a feel for the board. I don't feel like I'm actually touching the board. So it's odd on landing these ollies, which I should be able to do. Able to do cleanly. All right, let's call it a day. Well, not a day. Let's go practice kickflips. In case I didn't mention it earlier, it is super overcast. And it's threatening to rain. It's looking like there might be thunder showers around 3 o'clock, so I basically have about an hour to skate. But I still have a garbage bag in my messenger bag. So we good. That's the best one I've done yet. That works a weird little muscle up in your leg that I don't know that I've worked a ton. I should do that a lot more. Man, some guy with a huge dick just came through here and took that 90-degree turn at like 40 miles an hour. Badass. By the way, for those of you interested, this is what I'm listening to. And all about the photographs that line you draw. Tell me all about your forward walks.
Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about the foreign walls. Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about.
So you can see where I'm already wearing away the shoe. Feels kind of like a shame, especially getting a new pair, but that's what they're there for. Okay, I think I gotta take a break, do something else for a little bit. My knee's getting a little bit sore from doing the flick, and I'm sweating my ass off.
Tell me all about and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about the foreign walls. Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about your foreign walls. Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about the foreign walls. Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photos. Tell me all about and all about the photographs that line the door. Tell me all about the foreign walls. Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about the
This is gonna take a lot more wax. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to grind this.
photographs that line your drawer. Tell me all about.
All right, that's going nowhere.
Tell me all about the foreign walls and all about the photographs that line your drawer.
Oh my mind, you're my star. Everything you see is ours. Or it could be if you would try. I wish you were, I wish you might.
All right, I don't know if it's gonna rain today or not. It's starting to look kind of nice out. So let's finish the day with some more kickflip attempts. Then we're gonna call it the weekend. Oh, that hurts. Mashed my ankle up against a truck. Woo! I am so close, but I am completely out of water and I am so thirsty. It is so humid out today. I don't want to leave and go get water because I want to stick with this feeling because I'm so goddamn close to this. But I desperately need water. Oh God. That's not like frustration, that's like so excited because I'm close. This guy probably thinks I'm crazy. Come on. I gotta go get water. All right, water has been obtained. I don't want to run out, so I got a big one. You know, it's like, don't just get a little beer, get a tall boy, right? All right, we're gonna find another little flat area to go ahead and practice for a little bit and try and finish off this kickflip today. I don't know, man, I'm so close. Come on, baby, come on. Heel. My heel is on there, on the ground. I had a heel touch, but that was damn close. Yes, yes, yes. Landed. Jaden, Leo, Alex, Ikari. Even though Alex and Ikari weren't really there, Jaden and Leo, you just lost a bet. Sorry. I'm still gonna give you guys boards because I have them and like whatever. Like I can't afford boards. I know it's fucking expensive. So if I can give you guys a size, I'm gonna give you one. All right. Let's keep playing. Listen, I know I'm making a lot of you nervous, or have been while I've been skating out here because cars are going by behind me, but we cool. I'm super duper tired. Oh man, guys. That just feels good. Well, this is certainly a way to end the week. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We just landed our first kickflip. Have an awesome Friday. Have an awesome weekend.